Find the vector equation for the line passing through the points of -1, 0, 2 and 3, 4, 6 here. So it is a 2 marks question here. So therefore let A bar and B bar be the position vectors of points A into bracket of -1, 0, 2 and B into bracket of 3, 4, 6 respectively. Okay, therefore here A bar, or I can take here A bar is equal to minus of I. So 0, J means it becomes a 0 plus 2k. That's 2k. And B bar is equal to, or B bar, that is equal to 3I plus 4J plus 6k. Here we want a vector equation here. Therefore, vector equation of the line is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into bracket B bar minus of A bar. So this is the formula. Hence R bar is equal to A bar is this factor here, minus I plus 2k plus lambda into B bar is this factor here, so 3I plus 4J plus 6k minus of A bar is minus I plus 2J, so minus of I plus 2k. Bracket complete here. Therefore this R bar is equal to minus of I plus 2k, then plus lambda into, take this minus inside the bracket here, so minus into minus becomes a plus here, 3I plus I becomes a 4I, then there is no j term here, so write only this 4j plus 4j here, then 6k minus into plus become minus here, 6k minus 2k becomes plus 4k. So this is the vector equation of the line passing through two given points here. It is a 2 marks question here. So find a Cartesian equation for the line passing through 2 points here. Therefore here A into bracket x1 y1 z1 is equal to -1, 0 and 2 here, and B into bracket x2 y2 z2, that is equal to 3, 4, 6 with the given points here. With the given points. Therefore, a Cartesian equation of the line. Cartesian equation of the line is formula is x minus x1 divided by x2 minus of x1, that is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 that is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus of z1 here. Okay, then x minus x1 value is minus 1 here, minus of minus 1 divided by x2 is 3, so 3 minus of minus 1, that is equal to y minus y1 value is 0 divided by y2 is 4, 4 minus of 0, that is equal to z minus of z1 is 2 here, so it is 2 divided by z2 is 6 minus of 3, minus of minus become plus here, as x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 becomes 4, that is equal to y divided by 4, that is equal to z minus 2 divided by 6 minus 2 becomes 4 here. So this is a Cartesian equation of the line passing through two given points. So in this case, they given on point and a vector. We find the equation of the line passing to the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the vector here. Okay. So the line passing to the point here. Okay. So coordinate here 1, 2, 3, and this is a vector here. So b bar that is equal to 3i plus 2j minus of 2k. This is a given vector here. So therefore its a position vector is a bar here. A bar is the position vector of the point A. Therefore take care solution here. A bar is equal to, so I plus 2j plus 3k, I plus 2j plus 3k. This is the position vector of the part A, and the given vector b bar is equal to, so 3i plus 2j minus of 2k, minus 2k. Therefore vector equation of the line, vector equation of the line is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into the vector b bar a. Therefore r bar is equal to, a bar is I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda into the vector 3i plus 2j minus of 2k. Okay, so this is the vector equation of the line. And if you want the equation of the line in Cartesian form here, in that case and x1 y1 z1 is equal to, take this part here, 1, 2, 3 and so 3, 2 minus 2 are the direction ratios of the given vector here, and a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 2 are direction ratios of a given vector. Direction ratios of given vector. So therefore a Cartesian equation of the line is x minus x1 divided by a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 divided by ci. So therefore x minus of x1 value is 1 here divided by a value is 3, that is equal to y minus y1 value is 2 here divided by b value is 2, that is equal to z minus z1 is 3 here, z minus 3 divided by minus of 2 here. Okay, c value is minus 2. So this is the Cartesian equation of the line. This is a vector form and this is a Cartesian form. So even this is also just like a previous example here. Find the equation of the line in vector and a Cartesian form that passes to the point with the position vector 2i minus j plus 4k and is in the direction of I plus 2j minus k. Means the line passing to a point here. Okay, it's a position vector here. Okay, it's a position vector is a bar they given here. A bar is a 2i minus j plus 4k and in the direction of in this direction here. So here it is the b bar I plus 2j minus of k. Okay, therefore here a bar is equal to 2i minus of j plus 4k in the direction of the vector b bar is equal to I plus 2j minus of k. Therefore vector equation of the line, vector equation of the line is r bar is equal to the vector a bar plus lambda into the vector b bar here. Hence r bar is equal to a bar is 2i minus of j plus 4k plus lambda into so I plus 2j minus of k. So this is the vector equation of the line. Okay, and we want Cartesian form also. Therefore a interrogate x1 y1 z1 is equal to, so write it 2 comma minus 1 and 4 and a is equal to 1 here. Okay, then b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 1 or direction ratios of a given vector. Direction ratios of a given vector. Therefore Cartesian equation of the line, Cartesian equation of the line is x minus x1 divided by a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 divided by c. Therefore x minus of x1 is 2x divided by a value 1, that is equal to y minus y1 is a minus 1 here, minus of minus become plus 1 divided by b value is 2n, that is equal to z minus of z1 is 4 here, so 4 divided by, so c value is minus 1 here. Therefore so this is the Cartesian equation of the line here. So they given a equation of the line in the Cartesian form here. This is a Cartesian equation of the line. Find the line in the vector form here. Therefore, comparing given equation with comparing given equation with x minus x1 divided by a is equal to y minus y1 divided by b is equal to z minus z1 divided by c. Okay, here x plus 3 is there. So you can write minus of minus 3 like this here. X minus of minus 3 divided by 2 here. And this is equal to y minus 5 divided by 4 is equal to z minus of minus 6 here divided by 2 here. My plus sign is that. So you can write minus of minus here. Means x1 becomes minus 3 here. x1 is equal to minus 3. And y1 is equal to 5. y1 is equal to 5. z1 is equal to minus 6 here. So z1 is equal to minus 6. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 4. B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 12. C is equal to 2. Therefore, here A bar is equal to minus of 3i plus 5j minus of 6k. And the vector b bar, is 2i plus 4j plus 2k. Okay, means the line passing to a point here. Okay, its coordinates are minus 3, so 5 minus 6 here. Then its position vector is a bar here. Okay, so this is a vector b bar parallel to this line here. So b bar is equal to this one here, 2i plus 4j plus 2k like this here. Okay, therefore you can write the equation of the line in vector form here. Therefore equation of the line in vector form, vector equation of the line, vector equation of the line is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into the vector b bar here. So r bar is equal to a bar is this vector here minus of 3i plus 5j minus 6k, then plus lambda into, so 2i plus 4j plus 2k. So this is the equation of the line in vector form. Find the Cartesian equation of the line which are passing to the point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the line given by x plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 4 divided by 5 is equal to z plus 8 divided by 6 here. Here this is the equation of the line in the Cartesian form here. The line passing to a point here. Okay, consider this is a point A whose coordinates are minus 3, 4, minus 8 here. Minus 3, 4, minus of 8. And parallel to a vector here. Parallel to a vector b bar whose direction ratios are 3, 5, 6 here. Direction ratios are 3, 5 and 6 here. Here you find the equation of the line parallel to the given line here. So this is a line here, given line. This is a required line here. Passing to the point -2, 4, -5. If this line parallel to the given line, this line parallel to this vector also. Therefore, whose the direction ratio 3, 5 and 6 here. Use these direction ratios. Okay. Therefore, x minus of -3 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 4 divided by 5 is equal to z minus of -8 divided by 6 be the given line. Be the given line passing through a point. Passing up through a point. So -3, then 4, -8, and parallel to a vector, and parallel to a vector b bar whose position vectors, direction ratios, whose direction ratios are 3, 5, 6 here. So 3, 5 and 6 here. Therefore, required line passing through -2, 4, -5, -2, 4, -5, and parallel to the given line here. Parallel to the given line. Therefore, required line passing through so x1, y1, z1 is equal to -2, 4, -5, and parallel to the same vector, and parallel to the parallel to the same vector b bar whose direction ratios are a value is 3 here. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 6 here. So here we want a Cartesian equation here. Therefore, a Cartesian equation of the line. Cartesian equation of the line is x minus x1 is -2 here, minus of minus become +2 divided by a value is 3, that is equal to y minus y1 is 4 here divided by 5, b value is 5, z minus z1 is -5, minus of minus +5 divided by 6 here. Okay, the line parallel to the given line here. Therefore, denominator terms are same here, 3, 5 and 6. So just change these coordinates here. Okay, x1 is -2, y1 is 4, z1 is -5. Just replace here, we get the required equation of line passing to the given point and parallel to the given line.